Hey everyone, it's Paige with Severe Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to highlight and contour in 5 minutes, although I've sped up this video to 2 minutes to make it even faster. So I've started out with my highlight color, which is also my foundation color, and instead of putting it all over my face in heavy layers like you see in a lot of crazy makeup YouTube videos, I'm just doing the highlight color in key areas to brighten up my face. Then I'm going to use this brush and go in with my contour color. Now, contour is different from bronzer in that contour is more ashy to recreate the natural shadows that we have on our face. So I put it underneath my cheekbones, which creates a little push-up brow or natural lift for my face, and then I framed it around my forehead, and now I'm just going down the sides of my nose to recreate those natural shadows there, as well as underneath my jawline and a little bit down my neck. Then I like to take a little bit lighter highlight color. I call this my light bulb color, and it really just brightens up under my eyes and brings everything to life. Now I'm going to take this blush and bronzer brush, add a little blush here, other side, and this is the bronzer. Now the bronzer is a little different in that it goes where the sun would naturally tan your face, so across my forehead, on my cheeks, and down my neck. And now I'm just adding in this illuminator to give me a little extra shine. Then I'm taking a dampened sponge to blend everything out so that everything is seamless and there's no harsh lines, and it creates that flawless look that we want with highlighting and contouring. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take this setting spray that on my sponge here, and just dab back into my skin to really help keep things in place. And then finally, I am just going to take this small end of this brush and use my contour color to line my lips. It's really nice how versatile this is. And then I'm going to go back in with my blush color and also put that on my lips. And I like to be a little scientist and create lots of fun lip colors with my blush colors. So I'm going to add a second blush color here over the top. And then I'm just going to dip my finger in my illuminator, put it in the center, and that's it, you guys.